Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And we are on part 2 of my soap making process in remembrance of my cat Brilliance. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, on this part we will be adding our hot live water and our melted oils and butters right into our liquid oils and butters. So if you are interested on learning how to make cold processed soap the natural way and like how I do my thing, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure y'all hit that bell to be notified. So I already added my additives in with my liquid oils and butters, and I melted my hard oils and butters with my live water solution, performing the heat transfer method. So now I will be pouring my melted hard oils and butters right into my liquid oils. So I'm going to scrape out my container and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So now we have did that. Now let's just stir it around just a little bit. Now we're going to give it a good blending. Now see that? That's why I was holding it. But right now we're going to separate this because I don't want it to get too thick on me. I don't want it to get thick at all, actually. So, okay, y'all, excuse me. I'm going to split my colors up. Okay, for our colors, we have the celadon green, we have indigo, and we're also going to just keep our natural white. I like to scrape down my sides before I move on. Hold on, y'all. I can't get it. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I know this carpal tunnel don't be playing with nobody. Nobody. That is indigo. And now we're going to add our celadon green. I hope I'm saying that right. And now we're gonna whisk it from lightest to darkest, y'all. I'm also about to make a reel. Y'all see that one? Okay, y'all didn't see this one. I can't see inside that one. Y'all see it? Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't think about it not being transparent where y'all can see through it. Let's take a quick video. I hope this one don't break on me. Let's do the green. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for a second while we blend up our fragrance oils. Okay, y'all, so this is what we finna be working with. If you would like to see how this turns out, make sure you come over and subscribe so you will see when I post part 3 of this soap making process. The next soap making process will be the embeds and me pouring my soap up and things like that. So if you're interested in watching me make my soap for my small business, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. And follow me on all my social media platforms at StylesbyLailani. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.